Hi, it's Auret here from Essetinomedia, helping you create profitable content. And I have another PDF fillable worksheet tutorial for you today. So sometimes with these worksheets, you'll click into the fields and the text is too big or too small or wonky, or you want to change the font size of it because it doesn't suit your brand. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the font and the font size when you're typing into one of these fillable boxes. So let's get into it. Okay, so you can see right now as I'm typing in, it probably fills up a good portion of the box, maybe like 3 lines here. And I want people to be able to write more in this box and to see more of it as well. So what I'm going to do is I've opened this fillable worksheet, which is one that I've designed for one of our clients here. And you need to open it up in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. So once you're in this program here, and I'll link to it in the description below, by the way, so you could check it out if you don't have this program. So what you need to do is once it's open, go over to the side here where it says prepare form. And if you don't see this little icon here, prepare form, then click over to more tools. And if you scroll down a bit, right here under forms and signatures, you'll see prepare form right here. So either way you get to it, you want to click on it. A little toolbar will pop up. If it doesn't pop up for you, just hit the edit button. Everyone's program works a little bit differently, so I'm just trying to show you all the different versions so that you can see the same thing I'm seeing here. So when you click on edit, it goes into this mode of being able to edit your fields. And what you want to do is double click on the field, which will open up a properties box. Now you'll see here a bunch of different tabs, right? Under the appearance tab, you'll see where it says font size. So by default, it's set to 12. It's set to Helvetica, and the text color is black, and you can change all of these things. So I want to make the font size smaller. Let's go 9, and you can see I'm previewing it over here. It made it smaller. I think that looks really nice. 8 is a little too small, so let's stick with 9. I can also change the text color if I wanted to, but I'm going to leave it black, and the font as well. We can change that, but you know, I just like the Helvetica, but this is just how you change it if you like. So let's just say Courier, right? I'm going to close it, and now we can hit the preview button to see what it looks like, and you can test it out like one of your clients or your members who fill out these worksheets, your course students, whatever you're using this for. And that way I'll be able to see more text within the box. And if you wanted to make sure that this format stays with all of the other fields, you're going to have to do it with all of the other fields. So you'd go again to edit, double click the field, and change the settings in appearance. That's why I like to do one box, make sure I like the font size and the font and the color, and then copy that over to the other fields. That way you don't have to go back and rechange everything. If you found this video helpful, we have a whole playlist more of Adobe Acrobat or PDF fillable worksheet videos and tutorials, which I'll link to in the description. And also, if you want to just take this whole fillable worksheet off your plate, you want to delegate it to somebody, I'd be happy to help. I've designed hundreds of these worksheets for our clients over the years, and if you're interested, you can send me an email. I'll put that in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.